हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में हम समझेंगे प्राइमरी एजुकेशन लर्निंग लेवल एवोल्यूशन 2024 पाँचवीं बोर्ड का इंग्लिश का मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। प्राइमरी एजुकेशन लर्निंग लेवल एवोल्यूशन 2024 सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर, क्लास 5, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, ड्यूरेशन 2.5 hours, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 80। पार्ट 1 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस। Question 1. Choose the word which has a different sound of the underlined letters. Slow, blow, loud, glow. तो इसमें सही ऑप्शन होगा लाउड, सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. दीपिका मेड टी फॉर आशा। हिमसेल्फ, देमसेल्फ, हरसेल्फ, योरसेल्फ। सही आंसर होगा हरसेल्फ, सी। क्वेश्चन 3. वी शुड हेल्प द व्हील क्रॉसिंग द रोड। ऑल पीपल, बाइकर्स, साइकिलिस्ट, क्राउड। ऑल पीपल, सही आंसर होगा इसमें ए। क्वेश्चन 4. वी शुड नॉट क्रॉस द रोड व्हेन द ट्रैफिक लाइट इज रेड, येलो, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज। सही आंसर होगा रेड, ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेटर्स गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू। फर्स्ट एच यू ए सी, एच ओ यू एस ई, हाउस। सेकंड यू एम बी आर ई डबल एल ए, अम्ब्रेला। Question 6. Fill in the blanks with the correct articles in the following sentences A and D. First, I read book. यहाँ आएगा A. I read a book. Second, Sunita is intelligent girl. यहाँ आएगा N. An intelligent girl. Question number 7. Make new words by adding suffix ly and ful. फर्स्ट HARM, हार्म, तो हार्मफुल, FUL, हार्मफुल। सेकंड MONTH, मंथ, तो यहाँ आएगा LY, मंथली। हिस्टोरिकल आइटम्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. अरेंज दी जम्बल्ड लेटर टू मेक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट IKTE, तो होगा KITE, काइट। सेकंड ROUGND, होगा GROUND, ग्राउंड। क्वेश्चन 9. fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. Traffic, right, police, left. First, always drive your vehicle on the left, left side. Second, a traffic policeman control traffic, TRAFFIC, traffic on a busy road. Question 10 to 13. Complete the passage using the word from the bracket. Tickets, railway, boat, uncle. Last Sunday, Sonu and Monu went to the railway station. Railway station to receive their uncle. They went with their father. Their father bought 3 platform tickets. Question 14. Tick T for true or F for false for the following statements. First, Kalibai was a teacher. Yoga false. Pranayam increase our heart rate. ये भी होगा false. We should throw bits of paper in the classroom. ये भी होगा false. रामलीला describes the story of Ram. ये होगा true. Tobacco is good for health. ये होगा false. विजय स्तंभ was built by Rana Kumbha. ये होगा true. Question 15. Match the following columns A with column B. To throw garbage, dustbin. To sit upon stool. To write on the blackboard. Chalk. To clean dust. Broom. Small area of water. Pond. Long mouth of birds. Big. Reading comprehension and texture questions. Question 16 to 18. Read the passage and answer the question given below. He was happy when he saw the red sports car. Son, the paperwork was over and the car was his. The guide in the showroom got into the driver's seat to show him all the new things this car could do, but Mr. Roshanlal was so impatient to drive the car himself that he wouldn't listen to anything the guide said. He started the car and began to move. Question number 16. First, why did the guide in the showroom get into the driver's seat? He wanted to show Mr. Roshanlal all the new things that the new car could do. Second, why was Roshan Lal so impacted? He was so impatient to drive the car himself. Third, read the passage and find out the opposite of the following words. Old, Olga, new. Finish का start. Question number 17. First, when did Roshan Lal become owner of the car? The car became of Roshan Lal when the paper work was over. Second, why did he feel happy? He was happy when he saw the red sports car. Third, read the passage and find out the similar word of the following words. Fancy, sporty, sporty. Angry, impatient. Question number 18. Read the passage and find out the plural of the following. Things, sport, sports. Second, who started the car? Roshan Lal started the car. Third, read the passage and find out one word for the following words. A person who drives a vehicles. Driver, driver. Driver. Question 19 to 20. Read the passage and answer the questions given below. The Painted Desert, located in Arizona, covers 93,500 acres and stretches over 160 miles. It is called painted because it has colored rocks that look like they are painted. This colorful desert has cliffs and hills. It also has trees that turned to stone long ago. These trees are located in a place called the party filled forest. Question number 19. First, where is the Painted Desert located? The Painted Desert is located in Arizona. Second, why is it called painted? It is painted because of it has colored rocks that look like they are painted. Second, how many acres of land does it cover? It cover 93,500 acres of land. Question 20. How many miles long is the Painted Desert? The Painted Desert is over 160 miles long. Second, name two things you might see in the Painted Desert. Two things in the Painted Desert are cliffs and hills. Third, what happened to some of the trees here? Some of the trees turn to stone. Writing question 21. Imagine you are Alka ya Anil. Write a letter to your brother telling him about your studies. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल अशोक नगर जयपुर 13 April 2024. Dear brother, I received your letter yesterday. I am fine and well and hope you are too. I am very glad to tell you the fact that I passed my final exams with first position in my section. Pay my regards to everyone at home. Your loving अनिल। इस टाइप से हम लेटर लिख सकते हैं। आप अपने हिसाब से इसको सही लिख सकते हैं, और या आपको एक एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है। इमेजिंग यू आर रिया या राकेश, यू आर स्टडिंग इन गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल पाली, यू वांटेड टू गो टू द हॉस्पिटल फॉर चेकिंग योर आइसिंग, therefore you won't be able to go school for a day. Write an application to your headmaster to grant you leave for 1 day. 30 April 2024. Government प्राइमरी स्कूल पाली। सब्जेक्ट लीव फॉर वन डे। सर, I am Rakesh, a student of class 5 in your school. I have a scheduled appointment in I hospital with an eye specialist for checking my eyesight. I am unable to come school. Kindly grant me leave for a day. Yours obediently, Rakesh. Question number 22. Complete the story a thirsty crow with the help of suitable words given in the bracket. Thirsty upon water, pot, drink, stones, rose, drink. Once upon a time there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water. He saw a pot. In the garden there was a little water. In it he could not drink it. He thought of a plan. He put some stones in it. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away. इस टाइप से हम स्टोरी को फिल कर सकते हैं और look at the pictures given below and write 4 sentences based on the given pictures and hints. Trees, flowers, garden, birds, children. तो इस पिक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग हमें लिखने सेंटेंस लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट हम लिखेंगे The picture shows a scene of a beautiful garden. Second, in the garden there are lots of trees. Third, different types of flowers are in the garden. The birds are flying into the garden. Children are playing with each other in the गार्डन। तो फ्रेंड्स, हमने 5th क्लास इंग्लिश का मॉडल पेपर सॉल्व किया। आप भी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और आप एग्ज़ाम में अच्छे से क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कीजिए, तो आपको एग्ज़ाम के लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। थैंक यू।